Nobody had to pluck this. Nobody had to dye this. It came jet black.
Why my bad bitches I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis Lachelle, and today's video, as you can see by the title, will be a wig install. Now, don't get it twisted. This wig is definitely already customized, but this is gonna be my first time like putting on a wig that a brand sent me. I usually send my wigs off to my girl to get customized, and I just put them on glueless. But this time, it is from Wig Dealers. It is a 26-inch 2x6 lace closure jet black wig. It's already bleached, it's already plucked, it's ready to wear. So I think all we gotta do is probably press the top down a little bit, cut the lace off, and put it on. So let's check it out and see if it goes that way. This is what the packaging looks like. I had like a $400 budget, so I just went ahead and added their wig lace melting spray. I also added in this bonnet from Wig Dealers, and we're gonna jump right into it, honey. So here is what it looks like straight out the bag. So honey, we have jet black, naturally silky, very full, 26 inches. Lace closure is already bleached and plucked, as you can see. 2x6-inch lace closure. It comes with a band that you can adjust. It has like a bra strap type band that you can adjust and put in. It has combs in here and everything, so combs in the back, combs along the sides. I'm not used to combs, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so right off the bat, it is very, very silky. Right now I have the lace melting spray in, and I am melting the lace in. I did press the top down a little bit. It holds heat very well. It gets very silky straight. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace off camera, but it's looking good so far. I have to really focus on this part because I've never done this before, so I'll cut the lace and I'll be right back. So this is the finished product. I am in love. I can't believe Wig Dealers ate down like this. Thank you, Wig Dealers, so much for sending me this wig. I gotta tell everybody. I gotta tell everybody about this wig. Like, what? 2x6 lace closure already ready. Like, nobody had to pluck this. Nobody had to dye this. It came jet black. It literally eats the girls down. What is really going on here, Wig Dealers? Like, this video not even long because I didn't have to do nothing but cut the lace and spray a little bit of spray. If you don't go get this wig, sis, I don't know what you're doing. It literally is so flowy. It's the perfect jet black. And I'll be back in a few weeks to give y'all an update, because of course we always want to wear our hair for a couple weeks before we really just give it our all. But right now, I just couldn't see nothing going wrong. It feels so good. It smells so good. Like, Wig Dealers. Period. But if you watch this video to the end, I thank you so much. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. You should be seeing more videos coming from me soon. I will put the link to this wig down below, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.